Today we'll learn to create some cool logo of the Lettr SEA. The font we are going to use is Amsterdam 4. Go to Elements and search Shark Illustration, and add the outline of Shark Head, and adjust it to the head on Lettr. Now the font is using name is Malibu. Add a curved line and adjust it on the letter. Add some C element if you like. Here you can see some samples. Download the logo as a PNG without background. Open the website Photopea to create a cool mockup. Open templates and select one of them to create a cool mockup. Double-click on your logo. Here a new page is opened. Hide this logo and add your own logo. Press Ctrl+S to save the object. You can see the mockup had been updated. Go to File and save it as JPG. Subscribe for more.